Yo, what's good? This is a delayed review that I think is necessary. Um, I look ridiculously silly right now, but oh well. Um, yeah, it's just been percolating in the back of my mind that I'm pretty sure I missed a review, and I think it was November 14th. Um, but part of me thinks I did it too. Anyways, I'll deal with that later, but yeah, so no skating today. Um, I mean, it was probably just, one of the usual days these past couple months where I'm just cooked and tired and not feeling good. So I did something that was kind of fun. I was stick handling on my longboard, and I would either try and stabilize myself on it, made stick handling kind of tough, or I'd just let the slope of the garage just carry the longboard all the way down, and I'd get in whatever stick handles I could until it got to the end of the garage. But yeah, that's about it. Peace.